IDIN App Specialist for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Our modern software is made in a historic castle with origins dating back to 1331. 6 apps that will simplify your work. And IDIN has a huge worldwide network. ShipIT 365, the app that will simplify your daily shipping. Connect to over 1,400 carriers worldwide. Book your transport direct in your order flow in Business Central. Print shipment labels via Business Central. Real-time track and trace info. Integrates with mobile warehouse devices. Print labels direct from a mobile device. Pack and ship made easy from a mobile device into Business Central with ShipIT 365. Book and print directly from a mobile device. Save up to 80% of your time. Now we will show the complete pick, pack, ship process with ShipIT 365 and Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS. From a released sales order, a warehouse shipment is created. And from the warehouse shipment, a pick. The pick will be visible on the mobile device. On a mobile device, start with the pick. Select the pick to work on. Select the correct pick line and go to the storage bin. Scan the storage bin. Scan or add a license plate. Enter quantity to pick. Register the pick. Select the packing station. A successful pick. Back to the warehouse shipment in Business Central. The license plate is added via Mobile WMS. Open Pack and Ship. Select the correct order. Open the license plate record. Select the package. Add weight when required. Package record is checkmarked. Click on Post. A label is printed immediately. On the sales order, a transport order is visible. On the transport order, track and trace information is shown and the label is captured. You just saw pick, pack, ship in action, and there is many more to see and to discover. Contact our sales team at sales@idin.nl to book a presentation and demo. Happy shipping!
IDIN. Simplify your workflow. Explore the perfect fit for your industry at idin.nl.